guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to private someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you don't want to allow someone to take a screenshot of your profile on Facebook, so now to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook application, and after opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on that, just simply open up your profile, then tap on the three dotted icon which is on the right side of your screen. And after tapping on that, now you will find this option which is lock profile. Just simply tap on lock profile and then lock your profile, and after locking your profile, now you will not allow anyone to take a screenshot of your profile. The following person can't even zoom in on your profile picture. So not only for that person, this works for everyone. Just simply go ahead and do this, and you will lock your profile and you will not allow anyone to stalk you on Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to prevent someone from taking screenshot on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.